Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dune Analytics for custom crypto dashboards step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Dune Analytics website. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a login page that prompts you to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Make sure your password is entered correctly, as it is case sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a recovery process. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password and regain access. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to sign in. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter a code sent to your authentication method. After entering the code, click Verify to complete the login process. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Dune Analytics dashboard. From here, you can begin creating custom dashboards to analyze various cryptocurrencies. Explore the available datasets on the platform to find the information you need for your projects. Utilize the search bar or navigation menu to access specific metrics and data points relevant to your analysis. With everything set, you're now ready to customize your dashboards according to your preferences. Embrace the power of Dune Analytics to enhance your crypto data insights effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.